Every great website starts with a simple idea. But usually turning that idea into a beautiful website usually takes us even days for completing the design works. Now imagine this instead, starting with nothing and within just a few minutes, watching that idea slowly transform into a complete, functional and beautiful website. We are not talking about a one-click shortcut or some copy-paste template. This is about shaping it step by step right in front of you until the final website comes alive. By the end of this video, you will see how easy and fast it can actually go from zero to a fully transformed website, so that you would be proud to share. In this video, we will be using a ChatGPT in order to create the copyright, and we will be using the Relume AI in order to generate a wireframe, and we will move on that design to the framer for the development. So we can able to create the effective website without any of the much effort. If you want the prompt that I am going to use in this video, you can find in the description below so that you can make use of it. So without making any much delay, let's get into the video. I'm going to provide the prompt in the ChatGPT. So based on the prompt which I am going to provide, it will provide me with a homepage draft with a copyright that is along with the title and subtitle and what the CTA that will make the website as a conversational website. So let me show you with the prompt. So this is the prompt. Now the thread will be created. Here the prompt is, now you are my lead conversion copywriter. It will be act as a lead conversion copywriter. And the objective is to create the first draft homepage for the business and what that business is offering the services. So let me give the business name as Calmpath. Okay, and I have to provide the service that is provided by this company. So the company is offer the therapy and coaching to help to navigate the life's challenges with confidence and care. And we have provided with how the research should be done. And before writing, it will ask me the 5 questions in order to clarify. And here we can give how the call to action should be, how the CTA should look like. Here let me give it as, so it will be start your journey. So the strong CTA will be start your journey. And so these are all the things we need to provide. These are all the prompts and we have given the necessary things. So let me click on it. So if I click, it will be asking me the 5 questions, that is for unique mechanism, service coverage, guarantee, risk reducer, proof of point, tone preference. So these are all the questions I need to answer. So let me check on with this. What's a special ingredient that makes Calmpath different from regular therapy? So if you already know the answers for all these questions, you can provide the answers here. If you need some of the guidance to these questions, what we can do is, let me copy this and let me create another chat. Let me paste. Now ask with, I need the answers to this in short. Okay, and let me take out this one. I don't want. This is to create the home page draft. Before that, I need to answer these questions. Provide me with how it can be answered in short. Okay, so Calmpath provides. So let me copy this one. Let me paste it here. These are all the answers to this question and let me paste. So based on it, so it will be act as a one simple step. Here you can change the answers based on your requirement. So in order to work around, I have given up with the prompt that is provided by the ChatGPT itself. Okay, so here is the homepage draft. This is the hero headline. This is supporting subhead. This is the CTA button. Even it's providing the suggestion for this section. If you want, you can use up with this suggestion, or you can provide it, or you can use of your own. Okay, great. And what I think is, make the title on each section crisp and clear, and the subtitle to be brief. Okay, so the headline is find calm, gain clarity. Okay, this is the challenge. This is our approach. It's looking very short, right? Okay, it's looking very short. Can you make much without affecting the conversational copywriting? So that we get the homepage draft here. Okay, great. So we get all the copyrights that is needed for each of the section. Now we are going to create the wireframe that is needed for the website. So in order to do that, I'm going to use the Relume.io. So based on the prompt which I am going to provide, the wireframing will be created. Okay, so if you are stuck with what type of prompt I need to provide, you can make use of the ChatGPT again. So you can ask, please provide me with a prompt that can be used to create a wireframe in the Relume. That is for this Calmpath website. Okay, it will give me the a prompt. So this is the prompt. Create a homepage wireframe, hero section, how the hero section should look. This is a challenge. So everything has been created. So let me copy this prompt. Let me go to the Relume. I'm going to launch. I have created the new project and I'm going to go to the design, and here let me paste the prompt. Okay, so this is the prompt. Let me generate the design. So the homepage design will be created. Let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, it's generating. It's looking great. Let's wait for a few minutes so that we get a perfect homepage design for this Calmpath website. It's looking great. So based on the prompt we have get from our ChatGPT, it's have created the beautiful design along with the copyright. Okay. Now what we have to do is we can go to the style guide. If you want to do any of the change, you can do it here. And here we can find with the heading and body. I'm going to provide with the text. Okay. And here the body will be in enter. Okay, I have chosen up this one. Let me go here. Everything is looking great. If you wish, you can change the image for everything. Okay, great. And I'm going to export it to the Figma. Let me open up with the Figma. Okay, now inside the Relume Figma kit, I'm going to paste this Calmpath design. I'm going to use the design. So all the pages, let me give the continue, start import. Now I'm not, so I'm import. So it's taking all the typography, all the colors. So let me wait for a few minutes. So after it's copied to the Figma, I'm going to take out all the design to the Framer by using the Figma to Framer plugin. Okay, let's wait for a few minutes. So all the design which I have created in the Relume has been copied. So this is the design. What we are going to do now is, let me copy this hero section to the Framer. So in order to do that, let me use the plugin, that is Figma to HTML with Framer. Okay, it's copied to clipboard. Let's do the copy section by section in order to avoid the delay. Okay, let me go to the Framer. So here in the desktop, let me paste. So the Figma images will be pasted here. Okay, let's move on to the second one. So this is the thing. Let me again use the Figma to HTML plugin, copy to clipboard. Okay, let me go. Let me paste the next layout, so that you have to copy each of the section from the Figma to the Framer. So that I have bought all the design from the Figma to the Framer. Here you can do the changes that we have already discussed. Okay, so this looking great. And instead of this image, let me change the image. Okay, so I'm going to use this image. Yeah, it's looking great. It's looking nice. So instead of making like this, what I think is, let me make the heading to at the left and all the contents to the right. Okay, so in order to do that, let me change the direction and let me make it this column. Let me take out this max width fill, so that I brought the title to the left and all the contents to the right. Let me bring it at the bottom. So inside the header, let me put it at the bottom with spacing. Okay, I think it will look good. And instead of the fixed height, let me make it to 100 viewport, so it will occupy the full screen. Okay, and coming to this one, let me give the fixed width. It will be around here. Let me make it a space between. Okay, so that we made a basic setup. Let me go to the ChatGPT and let me choose up the headlights, that is the hero headline, that is find calm and gain clarity. I think it will be good. So let me paste find calm and gain clarity. Gain clarity. Let me take out this. Okay, gain clarity, calm. Okay, it will good. Let me increase the size considerably and let me increase. Okay, it will be fine. And really make it as semi bold. I think it's looking great. And the next is a subtitle. So let me choose this one. Let me go here. Let me paste. Okay, and let me bring it down. So this is the start journey. For the radius, let us make it as 50. And let me take out this border and let me give the color. This color will be fine. Okay, let me check how it's looking. So that we have made the changes to the hero section. Let me name it as hero section. Okay, the next thing is a problem section, right? Here what I think is, let me make it to in white color itself. Okay, let me go to the ChatGPT. Let's choose this one, when life feels too heavy. Okay, let me go, let me paste when life feels too heavy. Okay, I think we have to take this one. It doesn't looks nice. Okay, let me take this also. When life feels too heavy, so let me bring it at the, and let me take this button and this one also. Okay, and coming to this, let me increase the size. Okay, and the next thing is the subtitles is looking great. And coming to this, let me copy this button and let me take out this and let me paste the button. And now let me change the color. And coming to this, it's look good now. I think let me make it at the top with some of the spacing. And what I think is, if we have some of the philosophy between these two, it will be great. So what I think is, let me duplicate this one, let me delete this and bring it to the center and make it as, okay, let me make it to in center. Let me add a text. Let me decrease this one. And what I think is, and we need to add a logo and a title. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use the parser icon. Let me bring it here and let me make it as 2 in the start. And coming to this, let me hot, this will be fine. Let me increase the width and the height. Okay, here we have added the icon and here I need to add a small text. So I'm going to copy this one. Let me go here. Here both we need to add a stack. This is the tagline, right? That is philosophy. And let me give it 0. I think it's better to give an uppercase. So philosophy. Okay, and for this too, I think we can give this orange color. It's looking good. And what I think is, let me increase the padding value at the top and bottom. Let me check how it's worked. It's okay now. And again, let me add this tagline at the top here. This is the struggle. Okay, now let me bring it to the center. And if we want to change the image, you can either use the plugin, or you can directly change the image. You can choose the plugin that is Lumi, Unsplash, Pixels, etc. So if you wish to go to the pixels, let me choose up with the pixel, you can search this one. And let me go and what's the suggestion coming here. Someone looking thoughtful, a mix of struggle and hope. Okay, let me give this one. So let me search if there is any option here. You can find the plenty of images here. So from this you can choose up with this, or you can use the visual electric, and here you can use the prompt. So let's check what it's providing. Let me check how it works if I use this one. So this is how you can choose up with this one. The next thing is the next one, and again I'm going to change the color. And here we have user up with one. So let me create a new style, that is the heading 2. So this is what we have to use here also, heading 2. And let me go here. So I think this copyright is enough. This therapy meets coaching looks great. Let me check with here, therapy coaching. Okay, let me choose this one. Let me go here and let me paste, and let me decrease. Okay, now it's looking great. Let me decrease this one. Good. Okay, and coming to this, let me make it as holistics. And coming here, and this is the next one. I have changed the color. Let me take out this tagline. Okay, I think it's looking great. Next thing is the learn more. So as I have already said, you can choose up with the suggestion. This is provided here. A therapist coach smiling warmly in calm space. I think it's looking great. Even it's provided, even the Relume has given the beautiful thing. We have finished up with the 4th section without giving any of the much effort into it. We have just created a beautiful hero section, philosophy section, a struggle section, and a holistic section without just doing any of the much effort. It's very easy by using some of the AI tools which we have seen so far. So I hope you have really enjoyed this video on how to create a beautiful conversational website by just using only the AI. I hope you have really enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to share it with your fellow designers. For more videos on the Framer and the web design tips, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.